is special, isn't it? Always playing in Paris is always that way. To start the competition off on a Thursday night seems a bit strange, doesn't it? But it's exciting. It's still the same. Well, you always have to be wary of individual talent. That's for sure, because that talent is what makes good teams tick. But at the same time, there's obviously traits of how you go after nullifying good players, and that tends to be a team effort. And obviously, rightly so, everyone is talking Anton up to be the best player in the world at this moment in time, and you tend to agree with that. So we know that we've got a big job in our hands to try and contain him. If you can't get excited about a Six Nations, then you're in the wrong place, you're in the wrong job. To me, every single time I'm fortunate enough to be involved in a Six Nations championship, the energy, the excitement, because you understand just what it means to the teams that are playing, the countries, the rivalries, all of that. I think it's something special that we've got with the Six Nations over here in the Northern Hemisphere, and we're privileged to be part of it. That's exciting in general, and the Six Nations, the format has changed. Not only are we playing our first game on a Thursday night, but there's only one Farrell week this time round, which is a big shift. It'll be a bit more demanding on squad, you would have thought. So let's see how that goes, and then we run into a summer of completely different, travelling around, and we're fortunate enough to be playing Australia, New Zealand, and Japan. And then it all accumulates in a final there at Twickenham in the autumn. So a long old season ahead, but an exciting one.